So guys, today we're going to change the cabin filter in the Grand i10. So I'll just show you how it's done. So the cabin filter is the filter that cleans the air inside of your car and it gets choked up pretty quickly. So if you buy the cabin filter from Hyundai, it costs you around like 550 rupees. But I bought it from the aftermarket, which this costed me only around 260 rupees. Yes. And it's pretty much the same product. So I'll just show you how a cabin filter looks like. So this is the cabin filter. It's a paper-based filter, as you can see. This is totally clean right now. And we'll show you how the actual choked filter looks like. So to open the cabin filter, you'll have to access it from the this glove box. So how do we access it? There are two hinges right over here. So you'll have to press them from this side as well as this side together. So I'll just do it here, and then it'll get loose. So now you see over here. Let me just focus it. Yeah, so this is the cabin filter hinge which keeps the cabin filter in place. So we will push it outside and it will automatically slide down. So now you can see this is the cabin filter. So I'll just pull it down. So yeah, oops. So as you can see, this is totally black, and when I had placed it installed it around 8 months ago, it used to be like this. So you can see the difference in just 6-8 months to your cabin filter, and this is the same dust you would be breathing in your cabin. So the advantages of changing this on time are like your AC runs better, and of course the air inside your car is a little cleaner and free of dust. So this is totally choked, so I'll just throw this away later. So I'll take the new one. You can see this little piece of plastic with which you can hold it, and then you'll push it inside. So this is how we are going to do. We'll slide this inside, and it's completely inside now with the plastic part visible over here. Now we will have to put the clip in place so that it does not slide and fall down. So the clip has this little hinge kind of a thing which it slides inside the piece of plastic so that it stays in place. So yeah, you'll hear a little sound when it is perfectly clipped. Just ensure it is perfectly placed together and it does not move. Now we will close the glove box again. So again, you can see this is intentionally, it has a cut so that it goes inside, so that it gets placed inside. So you can just yep. Now it is perfectly installed. So I'll just start the car. So the change you will first notice after changing the cabin filter is the volume of air that comes out, even on speed 1. With a choked cabin filter, even at 2 or 3, you do not have the same volume of air. With a new at just like speed 1, you can see the volume of air is much more. Okay, thank you.